Hey, did you know that you don't have to go and spend thousands of dollars at a trade school to learn how to weld? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing that a trade school is necessary when learning to weld. However, today I'm going to share 3 tips with you that is going to revolutionize the way you weld and look at your future in the welding industry. I'm Trevor Chandler, and I am a welding trainer and self-made welding business owner who has helped countless beginner welders just like you transition out of the beginning stage of welding to a skilled welding professional. So what is the most important part about welding? It's making sure you start off on the right foot and understand the basic fundamentals of how to weld. It's actually easier than you think. Welding really isn't all that complicated. All you need to know is a couple basic ideas to get you on the right track in less time. So I'm going to share with you 3 tips about welding and how you can finally weld like a true professional. And I know what you're probably thinking. I don't know someone who could teach me how to weld. But again, I'm going to show you a great way you can get started welding really fast from the comfort of your own home and get amazing results. So the first tip is finding the right machine that fits your budget. The big idea here is you can buy a welding machine that welds good no matter your budget. There are less expensive welders that I have tested that work really well, and there are more expensive welders that work just the same, but your welder plays a huge factor in the outcome of your welds. So this is important because by having an affordable machine, it can get you up and welding fast and producing welds just like a professional that has an expensive machine. The second tip is properly preparing your materials before you start welding. The main thing to understand here is that not properly preparing your material can cause impurities contaminating your weld and ultimately producing a bad weld. This means knowing how to prep materials before welding allows you to be a more successful welder faster with less headaches. The third tip is proper motions and positions of welding. Different welding motions and positions directly affect the outcome of your weld. This is key because if you can learn proper welding motions and positions, you will be able to be more versatile as you learn and grow as a welder. Now I know what you're thinking. Welding is too expensive to get started. Well, the good thing is that we have found ways to learn how to weld affordably and to get you going in a timely manner, allowing you to make money quickly and easily to essentially pay for this course itself and your equipment. And so I've created this Welding for Beginners course so you can break into the exciting world of welding very quickly with no headaches. All of this training and tools are based from real world welding experience that I have learned over the last 15 years. We've proven this process with our own team members to get them from not knowing anything about welding to welding like a pro in less than a few weeks. And so what this is going to do is walk you step by step through the process of finding the right machine, safety, learning how to weld, and generating money from your new learned skill in no time. And I, as a welding trainer who has created a multi-million-dollar welding business and created a whole team of welders, so what I do is help beginner welders just like you learn a trade that can change your life forever, just like it has mine. So what I've done is created an amazing welding course for you. If you click the link, you can register today. I honestly don't know how much longer we'll keep this Welding for Beginners course available, and prices will be going up because we plan to add other segments and more value And the more value we add to this course, the more the price will go up. So get on this while the price is low, and all future segments and info added will be available to you for free. So click the link to get it today while it's at this low price. We're always here to help and can tell you all the amazing results we've gotten for beginner welders just like you who are struggling to learn how to weld. We also have a private Facebook group to answer any questions you may have along the way. But today I'm talking about the Welding for Beginners course, which is amazing. I can't wait to see you inside. Have a great day.